Hey guys, welcome back to Griffzilla Garage. Got some tips and tricks here on this '05 Lexus LS430. Damn, this car's baller status. Hope this helps you out. If it does, please like and subscribe. Guys, there's 3 O-rings up here. All right, I'm going to put the valve body back in, and you can see I got that grease holding in that check valve there. Just in case you need to do these accumulators here, this one on the end, it has a spring inside of it. So it's got a dual spring setup, so be aware of that. You're going to need to hold this accumulator up in here as you put the valve body back up. All right, so when you go to put that check valve back in, hey, right about this time, you're like, damn, this guy really helped me out. If you want to send me a couple bucks, hit that super thanks button. Definitely appreciate it. Come over here to your little grease bin. Put some grease on this bad boy. Yeah, grease it up. I like to call that schlep. Schlep it up. Schlep, schlep. It's kind of because that's what the grease, it's like what the grease sound makes when you put it together. It's like schlep, clock, 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 clock. Put that on there. And this will typically hold long enough for you to go ahead and put the valve body back up in there. All right, so you get as uncomfortable as possible. So I'm holding it with my right hand, using my left hand to put it up here. You want to make sure you get it seated squarely.